मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है। I have completed my work. I have completed my work. मैंने अपना काम पूरा नहीं किया है। I have not completed my work. I have not completed my work. क्या मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है? Have I completed my work? Have I completed my work? हमने पत्र लिख दिया है। We have written the letter. We have written the letter. हमने पत्र नहीं लिखा है। We have not written the letter. We have not written the letter. क्या हमने पत्र लिख दिया है? Have we written the letter? Have we written the letter? तुमने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है। You have closed the door. You have closed the door. तुमने दरवाजा बंद नहीं किया है। You have not closed the door. You have not closed the door. क्या तुमने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है? Have you closed the door? Have you closed the door? उन्होंने घर साफ कर लिया है। They have cleaned the house. They have cleaned the house. उन्होंने घर साफ नहीं किया है। They have not cleaned the house. They have not cleaned the house. क्या उन्होंने घर साफ कर लिया है? Have they cleaned the house? Have they cleaned the house? मैंने उससे बुलाया है। I have called him. I have called him. मैंने उससे नहीं बुलाया है। I have not called him. I have not called him. क्या मैंने उससे बुलाया है? Have I called him? Have I called him? उसने किताब पढ़ ली है। She has read the book. She has read the book. उसने किताब नहीं पढ़ी है। She has not read the book. She has not read the book. क्या उसने किताब पढ़ ली है? Has she read the book? Has she read the book? हमने टिकट खरीद ली है। We have bought the tickets. We have bought the tickets. हमने टिकट नहीं खरीदी है। We have not bought the tickets. We have not bought the tickets. क्या हमने टिकट खरीद ली है? Have we bought the tickets? Have we bought the tickets? तुमने मेरी मदद की है। You have helped me. You have helped me. तुमने मेरी मदद नहीं की है। You have not helped me. You have not helped me. क्या तुमने मेरी मदद की है? Have you helped me? Have you helped me? उन्होंने नया मोबाइल खरीदा है। They have bought a new mobile. They have bought a new mobile. उन्होंने नया मोबाइल नहीं खरीदा है। They have not bought a new mobile. They have not bought a new mobile. क्या उन्होंने नया मोबाइल खरीदा है? Have they bought a new mobile? Have they bought a new mobile? मैंने होमवर्क कर लिया है। I have done my homework. I have done my homework. मैंने होमवर्क नहीं किया है। I have not done my homework. I have not done my homework. क्या मैंने होमवर्क कर लिया है? Have I done my homework? Have I done my homework? उसने पानी पी लिया है। He has drunk water. He has drunk water. उसने पानी नहीं पिया है। He has not drunk water. He has not drunk water. क्या उसने पानी पी लिया है? Has he drunk water? Has he drunk water? हमने फिल्म देख ली है। We have watched the movie. We have watched the movie. हमने फिल्म नहीं देखी है। We have not watched the movie. We have not watched the movie. क्या हमने फिल्म देख ली है? Have we watched the movie? Have we watched the movie? तुमने कमरा साफ किया है। You have cleaned the room. You have cleaned the room. तुमने कमरा साफ नहीं किया है। You have not cleaned the room. You have not cleaned the room. क्या तुमने कमरा साफ किया है? Have you cleaned the room? Have you cleaned the room? उसने मुझे जवाब दिया है। She has replied to me. She has replied to me. उसने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया है। She has not replied to me. She has not replied to me. क्या उसने मुझे जवाब दिया है? Has she replied to me? Has she replied to me? मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया है। I have had my breakfast. I have had my breakfast. मैंने नाश्ता नहीं किया है। I have not had my breakfast. I have not had my breakfast. क्या मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया है? Have I had my breakfast? Have I had my breakfast? उन्होंने गाड़ी धो ली है। They have washed the car. They have washed the car. उन्होंने गाड़ी नहीं धोई है। They have not washed the car. They have not washed the car. क्या उन्होंने गाड़ी धो ली है? Have they washed the car? Have they washed the car? हमने नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया है। We have started a new project. We have started a new project. हमने नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू नहीं किया है। We have not started a new project. We have not started a new project. क्या हमने नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया है? Have we started a new project? Have we started a new project? तुमने सही निर्णय लिया है। You have made the right decision. You have made the right decision. तुमने सही निर्णय नहीं लिया है। You have not made the right decision. You have not made the right decision. क्या तुमने सही निर्णय लिया है? Have you made the right decision? Have you made the right decision? उसने फोन चार्ज कर लिया है। He has charged his phone. He has charged his phone. उसने फोन चार्ज नहीं किया है। He has not charged his phone. He has not charged his phone. क्या उसने फोन चार्ज कर लिया है? Has he charged his phone? Has he charged his phone? मैंने ईमेल भेज दिया है। I have sent the email. I have sent the email. मैंने ईमेल नहीं भेजा है। I have not sent the email. I have not sent the email. क्या मैंने ईमेल भेज दिया है? Have I sent the email? Have I sent the email? उन्होंने समस्या हल कर ली है। They have solved the problem. They have solved the problem. उन्होंने समस्या हल नहीं की है। They have not solved the problem. They have not solved the problem. क्या उन्होंने समस्या हल कर ली है? Have they solved the problem? Have they solved the problem? हमने सभी दस्तावेज जमा कर दिए हैं। We have submitted all the documents. We have submitted all the documents. हमने सभी दस्तावेज जमा नहीं किए हैं। We have not submitted all the documents. We have not submitted all the documents. क्या हमने सभी दस्तावेज जमा कर दिए हैं? Have we submitted all the documents? Have we submitted all the documents? क्या उसने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर ली है? Has she completed her studies? Has she completed her studies?